Welcome to the time for a meal. Puff pastry snack is always popular. Preparation is simple as always. Advantage of this recipe is that filling can be prepared much in advance. Take out the puff pastry and cut it into small rectangles. Place on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Using a ring or glass, cut the disc from the puff pastry. Carefully place the disc on the baking tray. Pour the cream into the egg and mix it. Spread it over all the puff pastry. It will give them a beautiful golden color during baking. Sprinkle half of the rings with black cumin. Place the baking tray in a 200 degrees and bake it for 12 minutes until the cake is golden. Prepare the basil pesto. Add the basil to the blender. Garlic, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, pine nuts. Pour in olive oil, season with pepper and salt. Blend all ingredients. Cross section of bresaola slices. Spread the pesto over the puff pastry. Place a folded slice of bresaola on the top. Sprinkle with Parmesan flakes, pine nuts, and chopped arugula. If you liked my recipe, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Grease the muffin tin with oil to prevent the dough from sticking. Divide the puff pastry leaves in half. Place the puff pastry in the molds and press them to the bottom. Prepare the filling by grating Gruyere cheese. Chop the spinach. Cut the red pepper into cubes. Chop the fried bacon. Season with pepper, salt, and mix it. Put the filling into the puff pastry baskets. Press lightly. Prepare the eggs mixture by chopping the thyme. Pour in the eggs. Grate some nutmeg. Season with pepper and salt. Brush the edges of the baskets with beaten egg it will give them a beautiful golden color during baking. Bake it at oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Once removed, sprinkle with remaining bacon and chips. Puff pastry basket with Gruyere cheese, spinach and eggs. A delicious warm appetizer. Prepare the filling, starting with mackerel. Put the cress in the bowl. Cut the apple into small pieces. Mix it well. Add the crème fraîche, season with pepper and salt. Spoon the mackerel mixture onto the puff pastry. Place a piece of apple and some cress on the top. Then place a puff pastry with black cumin on the top. The advantage of this recipe is that filling can be prepared much in advance. You can make the puff pastry burgers in the evening and fill them just before serving. Bon appetit! Did you like it? Subscribe to be up to date. See you next time!